Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. We have a seasonal treat for you today, rhubarb lemonade. You're gonna love it, and it's so simple and easy. There are 3 simple ingredients: rhubarb, sugar, and lemons. The first thing we're going to do is to wash the rhubarb, and then after we're going to chop it up into nice pieces. We're going to place these pieces of rhubarb into a large saucepan, and then we're going to take water and cover them about 1.5 liters, but ensuring that the rhubarb is covered with the water. We're going to allow the rhubarb to stew on a medium to high heat for about 15 minutes, or until you see that the rhubarb is broken down and has become soft. The next part of the process is to get a fine sieve, a large bowl, and then we're going to pour our rhubarb mixture through the sieve and just press it down gently, allowing all of those juices to flow through. And then we're going to find ourselves with a large bowl of just rhubarb juice. To the juice we will add 1 cup of sugar, and then we're going to stir that. Then we're going to add the juice of 1.5 lemons, stir that in really well, slice a couple of lemon pieces and put that in there and allow it to cool down before we decant it into our bottles. This is our rhubarb lemonade. All I can say is you've got to try it. The taste is just quite exquisite and quite divine. One of the recipes that you just got to try, and let me know how it is. So here we go, rhubarb lemonade.